My video guide will help you to remove fake Microsoft support that comes from the random website. It claims that some way or another this pop-up is related to Windows Defender Security Center. It also quotes this fake Windows support number +1 805 500 3769. In reality, it is a mistake to interact with all these pop-ups because they are not related to Windows or Microsoft. Instead, there are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups and they try to make you call this fake Windows support number in order to make you waste your money for nothing. These hackers may try to connect to your computer remotely and they may damage the system. So we recommend you to just leave this page and don't interact with all these deceptive, scary and malicious pop-ups. We recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may obtain on this official page, combocleaner.com. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It will help you to detect and delete any other hidden malware. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.